Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Can you please comment? Uh, so am I audible now? Okay. So guys, I guess am I audible? If you're listening and my video is clear, everything is fine, then it's okay. So guys, welcome back to all of you to my class. This is Agnimitra Aman, your Quant faculty. So everyone, this is again a very important session for all of you because it's combination of 4 chapters. Okay, I'll discuss here the combination of 4 chapters, or you can say the combination of two chapters part ways. Before starting the session, let me just guide you one thing. Hi Dhruv, how are you? Before starting, let me just guide you one thing. As all of you know, we have a banking super elite practice kit. This kit is again very important. So because the exams are nearby you, so you can go and study about this kit. This is banking super elite a kit, everyone, where you can get quant, reasoning, English, current affairs, beginners level, clerk pre-level, PO pre-level, clerk mains level, PO mains level, advanced PO mains level, and past year and speed improvement. You can see we have a quant, we have a reasoning, we have a English, current affairs. What the level you are basically looking for, you can just and give this test. In this, guys, you can also see this is basically included in super elite also. So you all can be watching this because this is also mentioned in the super elite. Let me just give this link to some of my students. Okay. Clear? I hope so. So guys, basically, as you can see, so again, I talk every day. I talk about the motivation. Every day we come here and talk about the motivation. No motivation for today. Hi Pavan, how are you? No motivation for today because what we are going to do here, we are combining two chapters. First is missing number. Now see, first is missing number, missing plus quadratic. Please have a look. Missing plus quadratic. Is this fine? Combination of missing plus quadratic, then ratio and SICI, then ratio plus SICI. So in this session we will be majorly focus on missing number and quadratic, and then ratio problems and SICI. This is a quant booster, 4 chapter in 1 class. Good sir, how are you? I'm also fine. Good evening, Yash. 4 chapter in this class. Which you want? You want missing number, quadratic, or ratio or SICI? Come on, say. Which you want? Good evening, Ankit. Which you want? You want missing number, quadratic, or ratio or SICI? Say, guys. Fast, everyone. Good evening, Mehak. Ratio, SI. Anybody else? Okay, if you guys are not answering, let me take my opinion. Let me go for head and tail. If head will come, then I'll go for missing number. If tail will come, I'll go for ratio and SICI. So according to me, its head is coming, so we'll go for missing number. Okay. Yeah, that's my call. So I'll go for my call. Are you ready now? Come on, say. So you guys are ready now? I'm just starting. First question. Try. First question, everybody. Do like the session, everyone. Do not forget to like it. Come on, fast. B, okay, 39.5. Somebody is answering 39.5, okay. 39.5. Anybody else? We got first answer as in B. Just wait. This is how much? Minus 8.5 na? Minus 8.5. This is how much? 17. I would say plus 17. This is how much? Negative of minus 34. This is how much? Come on, you can say. Plus 68. Correct. This will how much? Minus sign. Answer will be less than minus sign. 68 into 2. 16 means minus of 136. Minus of 136 will give you 39.5. Correct answer. Is this clear, everyone? Come on, say. Is this clear? Yash, Mehak, Pavan. Come on, guys. Is it right? Pattern is okay? Pattern is okay. Pattern is okay. Pattern is fine. I would request you to please share this session to all of your friends. Now see why I am focusing on missing number, because these are the easiest 5 number you can get. These are the easiest 5 number that you can get. Easiest 5 number. With now again every day I'll come up with the tougher problems, because that you should apply the logic. Hello Rose, how are you? Please try. $260. She's saying 260. Okay. $260. Okay, fine. Let me check how they are answering 260. Guys, 64. Always first go from the basic. As I said in the first class, always go from the basics. Minus of 36. One is plus, other is minus. Then I can say plus 128. This difference includes what? Minus of 72. And this again added to what? Anyone, this added to what? 256. Okay. But here I'm not getting any pattern, by the way. You're getting the pattern? Okay, guys, one thing you can see. 64 into 2 is 128. Fine, no? 36 into 2 is 72. So 72 into 2 would be 144. But minus 404 minus of 144 will give you 0, 6 and 2. 260 is the correct answer. Option number A. This is just, you can see now, because I also don't know, but I have observed this, that okay, this is going for 2 times. So that's why I came up with this. Correct now? Fine, everybody? When you'll do the practice, you can also learn such kind of things. While observing only, you can answer the question. Easy. $21. Yeah, what is the pattern? 1, 2, 4. This should be 8, na? 18, 7, 21, 21. Into 2, into 2, into 2. This would be 16 then. Into 2, this would be 32 then. Good evening, Mehak. How are you? Please try. Five questions. Don't think only 5 questions we are doing for this. Six, 18, 38, 66. Am I right? The difference is right, na? Okay, if difference is correct, then 2, 6. No logic. This is 2 का square plus 2, 4 का square plus 4, 6 का square plus 2. अच्छा 4 का square plus 2, 6 का square plus 2, 8 का square plus 2. This would be 10 का square plus 2. 10 का square plus 2, which is 1 not 2. 5. Last will contain 5. 245 is the 245 is the correct answer. You can go for double difference, I'm not saying, but this is also the easiest part, na? 2 का square plus 2, 4 का square plus 2, 6 का square plus 2, 8 का square plus 2, then 10 का square plus 2. You can go for it, double, triple, you can go for it. Solve. Don't waste your time, just solve. See guys, wrong number, missing number, we are doing everything in one single shot. 4, 8. Again, this is into 2. Series is of into 2. 26, 9. 29. Everyone is getting this is into 2 now. 4, 8 like that, 16 like that. 29 is the correct answer. It is easy. Come on, comment fast. These are easy. You should answer this question fastly. Try. We will not waste the time. We will try like much faster. C, okay, we got answer. I got answer C. That's nice. How come C? We can also write here 3 into 1 plus 2, 5. 5 into 2 plus 3, 13. 13 into 3 plus 13, 40, 2, 3, 4 is 43. 43 into 4, 4 12, 9, 92 plus 5, 7, 90. No, I'm wrong. अरे 16, 12, 17, 172, 7, 5, 6, 7, 177. Nice. Can we go for ratios now? Come on, solve. I got answer E. First answer I got E. A mixture of milk and water contains milk and water in the ratio of 1:x. Okay. So guys, we have milk and water in the ratio of 1:x. If 15 liter of pure milk is added, 7 liter of pure water is mixed in the mixture. Get the point. 15 liter of pure milk is added and 7 liter of water is added. So this has become again 7. Okay. Then the ratio of milk and water is 3:5. 3:5. First of all, you need to understand one thing. These are the ratios, okay? Now see guys, if you write the equation now, in milk, so 1A, right? See, because it is the ratio, I'll explain like 1A because the ratio terms are there, plus 15 liter of milk is added, isn't fine? In the milk section, this is a milk section, whole milk section. Try to understand this point. And X, because this is the ratio, it will also contain some variable, isn't it? This will also contain some variable which is X into, let's say, I would say A. Now, when you add 7 liter of this, you are now getting the ratio 3/5. Now, say me one thing. While solving this equation, you cannot put like two variables, na, X and A. So this cannot be answer. You cannot determine. In the first section, there should be something in the ratio terms. Amount of number should be there. That is why the sum of students are answering me C and D. Understood? You understood the logic behind it, what I said? Everyone? You understood that why I said C and D? Why? Understood na? Because this should be in single na, ratio are the unitless quantity, everyone. So if this is A, this should be also A, but this is already having a one variable which is X, and this I haven't given. This is already given in the question. A bit questions of common sense. This is a question of common sense, so I can say you guys can answer. Let's go for this. 5 questions on ratio. Don't forget, we are asking 5 questions on ratios. The level of questions are a bit harder, everyone. Every time I would say. Solve this. First, understand the question properly. Okay, let me now see. Let me solve. Okay, those who are answering 8, that's very good. Those who are not answering, please have a look. 156 liter of milk contains milk and water in the ratio of this much. Okay, so can I say we have a milk and water which is 2.5 m. So milk is basically 2.5 m plus 10. Okay, fine. And this is what? This is sorry, milk and water. This is milk basically. This is milk. Now if I go for water, okay, this is water, sorry, my bad, this is water. Wait a minute guys, okay, this is water and this is basically milk. How much milk we are having? Milk we are having 5m minus 4, correct? Now if you add this up, you will get how much? 7.5m plus 6. 7.5m plus 6 is equal to 156, because total you are having only 156 only, na? Come on. So from here the value of m is basically how much? The value of m is basically 20. Is this clear? You got the value of m, everyone? Come on. The value of m is 20. 20 basically, is it right? Okay, those who are answering, that's fine. The value of m you got 20. Now you can have exactly what? Milk and water ratio, which is 2.5 into 20 plus 10, which is 60, is to 96. Again, this can be the ratio can be simplified further also. If this can be simplified, that can be written what? 60 into 96 can be written 5:8. So can I say this is 5:8? And again, this will be equal to 156 only, correct? Okay, fine. 52 liter taken out. If 52 is taken out, this will become what? 104. The ratio will remain the same, 5:8. The ratio will remain the same, which is 5:8, means 5:8 is equal to now 104, right? I hope that this much is clear to all of you. If 104 is 5:8, then this is 40, this is basically 40, and this is basically 64. Fine. Okay. Now they are saying what? The mixture is removed and converted to water. The final ratio of water to milk is 3:4. Final ratio they are saying is basically 3:4. Now, if final ratio is 3:4, what you have taken out? Final ratio, find how much? You have taken out what? You are adding something. What? This one is what, guys? This one is water. Now your water will remain same. So you'll multiply this by 16. 16 4 is 64, and this becomes what? 16 multiplied by 48. So from 40, how much is the increment? 8. So what they are asking, find the how much water should be added. Oh, this is milk. The water is basically 8 liters. I was confused with the ratio, but water would be 8 liters. Is this clear? Yes, I got it. I need to reverse. I haven't reversed, but the point is same only, na? Means you got now water. 8 is water only. Clear? Everyone understood this? Come on, say. Say in the comment section, guys, you understood, na? Okay. Please solve. Okay. Hello Harsh, how are you? Thanks for coming. This 6, okay, 3:1. Only Mehak is answering. I don't know why. Might be she is wrong. This time she is wrong. Might be she is wrong. Might be. Yeah, let it be. No, not kind of hard. We can solve this question. Okay, just wait. B. Okay, so okay, guys, let me explain because I don't want to waste the time. Make it like shorter. I hope this is visible to you. Now see, 60 liter of mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 3:1. First of all, see this. So we have milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Clear? And basically this in terms of liter, this is 60. Makes sense, na? Makes sense. Now the point here comes, 8 liter is taken out. Now if you taken out 8 liters, what will happen? Taken out means I have given this sign because of taken out. Okay, negative sign means decrease sign. Then again, guys, we have learned that the ratio remains the same now, which is 3:1. The ratio remains the same. Okay. Now you have taken out 8 liters, so final impact will be there in the mixture. It will becomes 52. I think this much is clear. It will become 52 because 8 is taken out. Now 52 you can segregate in the ratio 3:1. Then this will become how much? Say, this will become 39, and this will become 14, 13. Wait a minute. This will become 39 and this will become 13. Am I right? Exact ratio. Right, everyone? Now let us read the question. Now again one more thing. 8 liters of mixture is taken out and P liters of milk is added and Q liters of water is added to it. The final ratio of the milk and water. Again guys, we know that if P plus Q is 11, from here Q is what? 11 minus P. See how we can now how the equation can be made. 39, you are adding what? P liters of milk and Q liters of water is added, okay? Now 39 plus P divided by 13 plus Q. If you write 13 plus Q, instead of writing 13 plus Q, you can write 13 plus 11 minus P. If you write 11 minus P, this ratio is equals to 9 by 5. Now anyone in the class can figure it out the value of P from here. What is the value of P from here? This is basically P. Let me write down. This is basically P. What is the value of P? Can you figure it out? Value of P. Come on guys, say. This is simple cross multiplication. You comment please, value of P. P is 3 by 2. Okay. Now P is 3 by 2. Fine. Then what is Q? Now P is 3 by 2. Then what is Q? If you figure it out, P, what is Q? This is 1.5, total is 11, this should be 9.5. Total is 11, nah, this is 1.5, nah, this is basically 1.5, this is 9.5. What is the difference? What is the difference? 8. Please say understood, yes or not. A very easy question. Is it correct? Yes or no? Come on, say. Everyone. Guys, is this correct? Because the total is 11, P plus Q is 11, you got P 1.5, then Q would be 9.5. The difference is basically of 8, na? Say guys, is it true? Yes or not? Come on. Okay, Swati, I think Rosie is not there in the class. Rosie, are you there? I don't think you are there in the class. Okay. Now can we go to the other section? Say fast. Can we go to the other section? Algebra. Write down yes. 5 questions on algebra. 5 questions on algebra means quadratic equation. Fast. Solve. Today I think we don't have watching like any aspirants. Yes, these are, of course, these are questions of your basically your exam level. Definitely these are questions of exam level. Definitely I would say 100%. A, C, okay. Do share the session, everyone. You guys are not sharing the session. That's very bad. Even though you guys are not liking, do like it, guys. Now let me do it. Now first of all, guys, see, again I would say now that I'll give you the different kind of question so that you can try. Now see, guys, if I say root x is a, now see everyone how math becomes easy. If root x is a, then can I say from here x is equal to a ka square? If x equals to a ka square, can I write this is a square plus 19a plus 90 is equal to 0? Change. Now 90 I need to become 19. Then one thing is possible, 10 and 9. The roots would be minus 10 and minus 9. Minus 10, comma, minus 9. Say yes or no. First is done. Again, if I say root y is equal to b, then y is equal to b ka square. If y is equal to b ka square, then this is b square 23b plus 130. 130 needs to become how much? 23, then 10 and 13. So this would be minus 10 and minus 13. Come on, say these are the roots. Everyone, if these are the roots, one is equal, other is greater. So x is equal to greater than y. Say. You got the easy approach? Now you got the easy approach? Say yes or no. Everyone. Yes. So guys, come on, solve. Please solve. A, okay, I got answer as an A. A, okay. X square plus of 9x by 2 plus of 7 by 2 plus of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Taking the LCM, 2x square plus, is it right now? 2x square plus 9x plus 7 and 3, 10 plus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. 10 needs to become 9, which is 9x, 4 and 5 also. So 4 and 5 minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 4. Don't multiply the coefficient. Wait. Y square plus 16y plus 63. 9, 6, 7. 8, 9 and 7. 9 and 7, okay. So basically for this you are getting the root 9, minus 9 and minus 7. Multiply the coefficient of x square with this, with the y roots. So this will become minus 18 and minus 14. At any cost you can see that x is greater than y. Where is x is greater than y? Option number A is the correct answer. I think everyone got this. Come on, say. Pavan, you got this? Pavan? Pavan? Harsh? Everyone? Try. B. Sorry. Sorry guys. Your roots and my roots are basically same. Don't panic. Your roots and my roots are same only. Don't panic. Let me show you. Question is x square minus of 9 root 3x plus of 60 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the question. Guys, just read this question, be like that: x square minus 9x plus 60 is equal to 0. Or you can also simplify this. Simplify how much? Divide this by 2. If you divide this by 2, this will become not. Okay, wait. In this line you can divide. X square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. And please, many times I've said this, that how this is coming. Now 5 into 4, this will come 4 and this will come 5 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. These are the roots of first equation. This much fast you can answer this, okay? Now this is y square minus 13y plus 42. 42 can become 6 and 7. 6 and 7, then roots are plus 6 and plus 7. Am I right? Plus 6 and plus 7. Make sense? Everybody? 16 tiya 48 and 25 tiya 75. Am I right? C and D would be the answer. Divide by root 3. The answer is what? C and D, everyone? If you have a square the roots here, you can also square the roots here. This will become 36 and this will become 49. No comparison. C and D would be the answer. Option number E. What you did. See what I did. Divide the whole equation by root 3 and multiply root 3 here. Nothing. This equation will become x square minus 9x plus 20. Now because root 3 was there only in the equation, so write down 20 into 20 can be break out 4 into 5, 20, and 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Just multiply root 3 here, multiply root 3 here. Then do the square. 4 square is 16 root 3 into 3. 5 square is 25 into 3, and you will get the exact roots here. If you square the roots from the equation number 1, then square the roots of equation number 2, which is 36 and 49. These are the easiest process to solve a question, first of all. So you guys need to understand these are the best questions, you can say. Now this is in homework, guys, a classic question, okay? This is a classic question, everyone. Those who will answer me this question, I would give them a party. Those who will answer me this question, I'll give them a party. Wrong. Why Mehak is in hurry? I don't understand. Actually, she knows everything, but again she is in hurry, so you cannot do anything. Should I give you the hint? See, guys, first of all, pick this number. See how you can solve. The questions are, if a is equal to 3b, ab plus equals to 4 root 10, then they are asking the roots of the equation, first of all. Now they have given a, I am giving you the hint, a equals to 3b. And second is under root of a square plus b square, then do take the squares. If you will take the square, this will become a square plus b square, and 4 is 16 into 10. Am I right? This step is clear. This step is clear. I think everyone, you got this clear. Okay, is this clear? Okay. A equals to 3b, then from here this will become 9b square plus b square is equal to 16 into 10. Now you can take out the value of b from here. The value of b is basically 4. 9b, 10b, 10b. The value of b is basically 4. The moment you get value of b4, the value of a is basically how much? Total is a is basically how much? A is 12. A is equal to 12. Now I hope that you guys can figure it out the roots. Say yes or no. Because you got the value of a and b, now you can put in the equation and you'll get the exact quadratic equation. Yes or no? Say na. X square minus 16x plus 39. First will become what? First will become x square minus 16x plus 39. Makes sense? What are the roots of the equation? 13 and 3. 13 and 3. Both are positive. Second, y square 1.5a is basically 18 minus 1 is 17y plus 72. Y square minus 17y plus 72 is equal to 0. 17, 9, 8. It would be 9 and 8. So roots are basically 9 and 8. Is there any comparison? No. Mehak was right. Answer is option number E only. Okay, got it. Is this clear now? No, Mehak, I have seen your answer. That's why I said C and D. So maybe they can ask different varieties of question. See, we cannot say that what kind of question they can ask, but they can ask different varieties of questions at the same time. Clear na? Is this clear na, guys? Okay. So everyone, from the next week, I think we are left with some of the portions. Tomorrow we'll discuss again, guys. Tomorrow which topic you guys want? Can you please say? In basically quant, which topic you want? You want quadratic more questions? Or you want which chapter questions? Quadratic more questions you want like which chapter should I go for? Come on, comment guys. Should I go for simplification or approximation again? Okay. Tomorrow we are going, now see, tomorrow we are doing what? Tomorrow we will be doing 10 questions on number series, 10 questions on quadratic, 10 questions on simplification, and 10 questions on approximation. Will it be fine? Next week we will not touch these sections. Next week we will do, no, why not percentage? We'll go for percentage, but we'll go from Monday to Friday. In the next week we'll only go for aptitude. Let us complete this part in this week only. You're getting the point? So those who want to revise the scoring chapters of quant, like number series, quadratic equation, simplification and approximation, tomorrow will be the last class on that. So you can come and at least we can discuss like 30 to 40 questions there in the class. So guys, you can join and do share my session, everyone. Second thing, in the coming week, I will be not teaching number series, quad, simplification, approximation. In fact, I'll focusing the chapters which we don't practice more, like time, speed, distance, like time and work, like pipe and cisterns, like geometry, like mensuration, so that those who come to this channel, they should have a full-fledged of preparation if they watch my videos. Bye guys, bye everyone, bye bye.